Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your gender preference on Bumble. So this is helpful if you want to match your list to show the right people so that you're not wasting time swiping on profiles that you're not interested in. But before we start, hurry up and check out our L self virus under this video. So let's get started. So how do you change your gender preference on Bumble? So first, open up the Bumble mobile app and log into your account. Now on Bumble, at the top right of your screen, you should see a filter icon. So typically it's going to have a dot on it. So go ahead and tap that filter icon. So on this page, you should see your basic filters. So in this basic filters, you can change a few things, like who you want to date. So in this section, you can choose from men, women, or non-binary people. If you want to say that you're open to dating everyone, go ahead and turn that on, and that will allow men, women, and non binary people to appear based on your preference. So if you're only targeting one gender, disable that option and then choose the gender that you want to date. So once you've done that, just go back to your profile or your people page on Bumble. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. If you find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.